How is? How is it going? Been a long time since I put a video out. So basically my video today is going to be transforming and upcycling two bedside lockers that I bought there last week. So I'll do a couple of videos and a couple of pictures for you to show you as to what I was doing step by step, and if you want you can do it to your own and just save a few bit of cash. But God, it's been a long time since I put a video out. How you all keeping anyway? So look, I'll get on with the video and I'll show you what I'm doing. Just the garden now, nearly finished. Look, there's still a bit of fucking dog shit everywhere. Look. Anyway, so these are the two lockers here, 1, 2, matching set. Bought very, very cheaply and absolute diamonds. Watch this. Good solid frames. And they're very heavy as well. So I'll be doing I don't know yet. I'm just gonna let my creative streak just flow and I'll see where I go. So the next step what I need to do is to take off the handles and have my sander there, sand them all down and undercoat. Alright, I'll throw a few oh god, I always get mixed up when I'm doing this. Hello. What's going on? You coming to help me? Yeah? Yeah. Dear me little babies. Right, let's get on with the video and transformation. Keep these for another project. So basically I'm breaking the varnish on it, and this is a rough sandpaper, and then I'll go down with a smooth one. So I'll fast forward this a little bit. Alright, okay. That was the husband looking for his phone back. It's my birthday in a couple of days, so I'm actually getting the hint. Buy me a new phone. You know what I'm saying? Oh, your camera's better. Right, so you get the hint. I'll do the two of these and I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, so we have one locker done and the other one to do. So this is it. So far so good. Strip right down. That's just a rough sandpaper, and then we go over with a smooth one and then onto that one. Make it look. So hello and welcome back. I had to do a little snip in the video there. Lots of stuff was going on, a couple of more projects, and there was my birthday weekend and it was Pride, so I hope you all had a great Pride weekend. So getting back to the video, I had a quick haircut and getting rid of the greys as well, but it's my fucking face. So I'm going to just continue on. The next couple of videos you'll see me now will be just explaining what we're going to do with the lockers. I don't know where I'm going to go with it. I'm just going to let the creativity just run free and see where it takes me. I have a couple of ideas, but obviously I'm going to chop and change to go along. So I won't keep it too long, and let's go! Let's go! So this is the lockers sanded down. The other one is sanded down downstairs. I'm going to work on this one first of all and see where we go. Let's go! Right, first thing I'm going to do is just take out the drawers and give it a little bit of a paint with Rust-oleum. That's the colour. I just like it. End of fact. So we'll give it a bit of a paint first. So it's sanded down to bits, and I'm basically just going to be painting all the edges. Right. And to be honest with you, I don't know where the design's going to go. So I'll obviously, if I have to do one, I'm going to have to do the other same way. So I have a couple of ideas of some new handles and stuff. So I'm going to give this a bit of a lick of a paint, and back to this in a second. So I have the back room is grey, so I'm trying to stick with the same colour theme. This might look lovely now when this dries in. No, I don't know where I'm going with this. I bought these for €25 each for the two, well 50 quid for the two. And it's just the frames are so solid here. I says, give me that. That's going to be your leading upcycling project.
Yeah, that looks lovely, Danny, eh? So I'm going to start getting back into making my videos as well, so thanks for stopping by and just coming along and having a look. Been having a bleeding so many ideas going through the brain. I says, I'm getting back into the creativity of it all, do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying? Stupid little dope, yeah? You two-faced bastard, yeah? So, and look, there's loads of videos on YouTube about how to do this, but I'm just going to do my own thing.
My husband's downstairs making cakes. This gaff is just absolutely mental. Right, come back in a couple of minutes and I'll have all of this done, right? So, all the doors are done. What's that? And I'm going to leave this side here empty because I have another idea. Come here. Who's that? What are you doing? Are you helping me? Are you helping me? Yes? Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you want to help me painting? Yes, 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 yes. Head cases. So we're going to wallpaper the sides and let's see what it's turning out like. Let's go. So here we are. I'm after just going ahead and doing a few little blings on it and a couple of mirror strips. So the last thing to do is to put on a new set of handles. So let's put these on and see where we go. Jimmy, see where we go. We're not going anywhere. I'm putting the handles on. Right, so ready? Is everybody ready yet? There's one. Looking good.